welcome to Aussie Scale Modeller. Jace here, glad to have your company once again. Well, this is only going to be short, brief, probably just a backup bonus video to the last tank build. But yeah, again, thanks guys for hitting the like, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. And I received this in the mail. Hey, here we go. Nice little IckySticky box, and well, decent sized box. Look at that, IckySticky everywhere. So what we'll do, if we quickly pan down to the bench, is we'll notice that yeah, hang on, there's stuff everywhere. So to unbox this, hang on, to unbox this, gonna have to tidy this up, get this organised, and yeah, we'll make a space. And in 3, 2, 1. Righto guys, quick bit of work there, made some space, cleaned off some sort of organisation. So what we'll do is, yeah, we'll quickly peek down, there we go, da-da-da-da. All clean, all ready to rock and roll. So, in 3, 2, 1, we shall go to camera, or B camera, and yeah. Alright guys, well we did unbox. I didn't press record, unfortunately, that's okay. So basically it was 2 beautiful brand new IckySticky mats. Let's get that out of the way. This is mainly going to be used for both of them. One's a spare, one's for presentation of unboxings, and old faithful, we'll just sit there because, yeah, why dirty up another good mat? Okay, now, just to get your opinion, guys, for unboxings, if you could leave in the comments this is, what we think, so we'll do a trial. I'll just straighten that up a bit. There we go. Tell me what you think on video quality, whether I should use this camera that's currently going or change to well, we'll go through, we'll go camera 1, we'll call this camera 1, and we'll just unbox this, the 135 to cherry cans, and no, they're not going in dioramas, Pete, Hibbo, so you can calm your bum. Yeah, all good. Right. Now, I'll be able to zoom in, but I want to know what you guys think on clarity. Right, so we can go there. Move that to the side. Are we fully sealed? Stapled. Right, so that'll be close to maybe a standard sprue size. Let me zoom in, guys, and let me see how we go on what you think. Let's go to the left there. Right, so let's get this lined up. The center of the screen, that's about it, I'd say. Putting those on the 21 mark. Right. Now this won't move around because it's sitting on the other one, but anyway. So guys, is that good enough for detail? Maybe put some more light on that. What do you think of that, guys? Let me know on that camera. Right now we'll move to camera 2, we'll call it, and you tell me what the best shot for unboxing will be. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Righto guys, here we go. We'll call this camera 2, and here we are. That's the angle you get with that. Let's move it up here. I don't know. Hang on. Here, move the camera around a bit. Let's try that. Right. What about that? No, it doesn't give you more detail. Well, what do you think, guys? Your opinion on that? Let's try camera 3. Right out in 3, 2, 1. Right. Now that will be out of shot. Let's zoom in. Alright guys, remembering this will be out of shot. I might be able to go in. That camera will be out of shot. I've just got to relocate a little bit. Let's go in a little bit more. Let's just move this one out of the way. Let's straighten up the camera. Move that cable. What do you think, guys? Is that the best way to go with that? And if so, let me know. So camera 1 was the first one, camera 2 was the second one, and that's camera 3. Alright guys, I'll zoom back out, throw on my ugly head, and we'll get on with it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Righto guys, that was it. Yeah, I need your opinion on that. Thank you, Monique from IckySticky.com.au, and all the other people that, like yourselves, that support the channel by subscribing, liking, hitting the bell notification. Really appreciate it. Look forward to Sunday night, this Sunday night. Aussie Modelers Live, 6 PM. Can't wait to catch up with Pete and Hibbo. Right guys, I'll unpack this, and don't forget, if you haven't already, Aquagel CA, that's one of the products from Monique from IckySticky, and you get those nice little lollies. How good are they? So IckySticky.com.au and outlawpaints.com.au. Don't forget Andrew at Bullbull, and of course Wayne from BB's. Awesome, thank you very much again, Wayne, for those great little items, so surprisingly in the mail. Really appreciate it. Right guys, as I said, very quick video. Need your opinion, please let me know. Cheers. As I always say, it's all good, and catch you later.